Hello friends, welcome back to my famous YouTube channel. I'm back with new creative videos. As we have gone through many videos on machine learning using Python, such as eyes blinking using Python, facial emotion detection using Python, then facial emotion expression from image using deep face library in Python, facial emotion expression detection from image using fair library. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. It is the enhancement of previous video, emotion recognition using from the image. In this video I am doing emotion recognition of facial expression using webcam. So for that, let us go through the Python file first. This statement all are required, these are libraries needs to be imported for this program. Then face underscore classifier is equal to cv2 dot cascade classifier. It is used for detecting the face for emotions. Then this file needs to be in their directory in which you are executing the program. Then these are the emotion detection using webcam. Then to start the webcam, cv2 dot video capture. Then while statement true, then conversion of BGR to grayscale, then for loop for creating rectangle around the face for emotion, and here putting the text on the rectangle here, and if not face detected, then emotion detector what emotions are I am sure, and then if I press Q, then program will exit, window will close. Then release the webcam and close all the window. Now I will execute the program. Yes, now it is detecting sad. I will be happy. Yes, it is happy. Now neutral, sad, neutral, it is telling neutral. Then something, yes, it's telling neutral in this thing. So we are successfully done with emotion recognition using facial emotion recognition using Python using webcam. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.